Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Start with the basics of drawing. Hey, I know it's really cool to see awesome dragons, other creatures, characters, and whole cities. But one thing you'll notice right away is that you won't be able to draw any of these so well and so detailed, right off the bat. You might see pieces that will inspire you and motivate you to draw. That's good. Keep that, have a goal. But don't try and reach your goal right away. It won't happen, it's not that easy, especially if you haven't picked up a pencil in a long time. You should have great goals. But start with the basics of drawing, step by step. Baby steps, you need to learn the basics first. By basics, I mean, you need to learn perspective, composition, line, shape, values, colors and texture. This is one of the biggest drawing tips that I can give to any beginner artist. All these names might sound very intimidating right now, but they don't need to be. Once again, start with the most basic you can find. Start with simple lines. Drawing might seem like a very big ordeal, but you can cut it into smaller parts to make it easier for you to start with. It might take you some more time, but remember that being an artist and drawing is all about observing. That's how you learn, by observing the subject you want to draw, or by observing others drawing. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.